Hello everyone, this is Mariam Atouk. I'm 16 years old and I'm 2022 Tunisian Tech Girl. Today we're going to talk about how to make a strong TechGirls application. First of all, what is TechGirls? TechGirls is an international summer exchange program designed to empower and inspire young women from around the world to pursue careers in STEM. STEM is an acronym for science, technology, engineering, and math. Before applying, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. You need to be a girl who is between 15 and 17 years old. You're a citizen of the eligible countries. I'll be providing that in the description below. You need to have a passion for STEM and have strong English language skills. And for more details, please check for the official TechGirls website. These are my best application tips. You can use it for the TechGirl application or any other program. First tip, don't wait until the last minute to apply. Second tip, use a second document. And before admitting, please review carefully your application. You can use Grammarly to check for grammar mistakes, or you can ask someone to review your essays. Third tip, respond to all questions in clear English and try to make it easy for you, not complicated. Fourth tip, exhibit interest in STEM. Also exhibit maturity, flexibility, and open-mindedness. The reader wants to see your passion. Fifth tip, every skill you have is important. For example, I'm a basketball player. So in my essays, I said that I've been playing basketball for 6 years and it taught me how to work in groups, how to communicate with others, and how to understand other people's points of view. Sixth tip, have well defined objectives and goals for the program. Seventh tip, be clear about how being selected to this program will impact you and your community and how it will improve your skills and passion. Eighth tip, tell your story. Everyone has a story. What's yours and how can you bring it out in your essays? And be your true self. Ninth tip, stick to answering the question. It's easy to be sidetracked when answering essay questions, so always keep the question in mind as you answer and try to wow the readers. 10th tip, and most important of them all, don't despair if you don't get selected. I got selected for TechGirls the second time I applied. Others make it the first time around. It's different from person to person. So believe in yourself and keep applying till you make it. Keep trying. Wishing you all good luck for your TechGirls application. See you in the next video.